In this tutorial, we will learn how to resize a still image as per video's aspect ratio. Let's say this is our video and I will add an image over here. I'm going to add it in the timeline and let's play it. The aspect ratio of the project is right now 16 into 9, but the aspect ratio of this image is 1 is to 1. How can I change this aspect ratio? I will double click over here and drag this. In this way, you can crop or resize the image according to your video's aspect ratio. You can crop it also. Let's add it to the timeline. Select the image, go to Tools, Crop and Zoom, and Crop to Fit. When you click on Crop to Fit, it will fit you as per your aspect ratio of the video. Or if you use crop and zoom, you can crop the image accordingly. Let's play it. Over here it shows the timestamp. This image has been cropped. This way you can resize or crop a still image to match the video aspect ratio. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.